I was called to teach language literacy, and I was called to bring the message to the people about music and its impact with helping kids read. I've been an educator for 20 years and a classroom teacher for 10. I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron. If kids aren't reading by 4th grade, they're at risk of dropping out of high school and going to prison. Every child has a right to read. I equip heroic teachers with an effective literacy program to remediate dyslexia so we can close the achievement gap, stop the school to prison pipeline, and prepare kids for success in school and in life. I remember Daniela, an 8th grader in a low-income district. She was a second language learner and being raised by her grandfather because her mom was in prison. He came to me and said, "We have tried everything and none of the after-school programs are helping. We're coming to you because of the music." So after 2 weeks of being in our program, he started seeing a change in her self-esteem, and she started enjoying going to school. And after 6 weeks, when I showed him her test results, she had made 3 years gains in reading fluency, comprehension, and vocabulary. He said, "This is a miracle. Our home used to be a battlefield, and now we all get along. She enjoys going to school, she gets along with her peers, and she's doing her homework." So I developed a music app. It's called Dunking Dyslexia. It plays music in the left ear and spelling exercises in the right ear. And I developed a curriculum called Step-by-Step Reading. And I have this book, A Message of Hope. It has 17 case studies of students I've worked with. It belongs in the hands of every teacher and every educator in college so we can learn about dyslexia. And that's how I equip teachers with an effective literacy program to remediate dyslexia so we can close the achievement gap, stop the school to prison pipeline, and prepare kids for success in school and in life.